Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to show you how you can quickly share your Instagram posts and other content types on Pinterest to explode your reach and engagement. It takes barely 30 seconds to do, and, as someone who has gone viral on Pinterest a few times, I can tell you that it's easier to pick up traction on the visual imagery site than you might think. Let's take a closer look at how to share Instagram content on Pinterest in less than 30 seconds. Step 1. Pick an Instagram post. I personally recommend sharing every single Instagram post, reel and even story on Pinterest. There are exceptions, of course, but Pinterest is a visual-based social media platform, and that's what Instagram is too. It makes perfect sense to utilize one piece of content for both platforms. Step 2. Click the three little dots. Your screen might look a little different depending on how many updates have happened since this video was published, what phone you have, and also what operating system you use. I'm using an iPhone. The three little dots opens up a little menu. The option you'll want to select is Copy Link. This will copy the direct link to that particular Instagram post. Step 3. Find the original image in your camera roll. If you don't have the original image in your camera roll, take a screenshot of it. If you're sharing a reel, use the cover image that you used on Instagram. Step 4. Head on over to Pinterest. You can do this on the mobile app or the desktop website. Open up the app or site and start creating a new pin using the image or screenshot from Step 3. As you can see, Pinterest automatically asks me if I want to paste the website link I just copied from Instagram. Hitting Paste will do the hard work for me. Don't worry if you don't see this blue pop up, you can still post the link. At the bottom, where it asks for a website link, paste in the Instagram direct link you copied in Step 2. Step 5. Fill in the description. You can copy and paste the Instagram caption into the Pinterest description. You should make sure that the description contains keywords though. Think about what someone might search to find that piece of content. Use that particular search term in the description. If you're sharing a chocolate cake picture and recipe, use the search terms, chocolate cake recipe, and so on. Step 6. Publish or schedule the Pinterest pin. With all of the fields filled in, it's time to select a Pinterest board. You can do this at the top of the screen. You can publish the pin immediately, or you can schedule it to publish in the future. You can have up to 30 pins scheduled, and you can go up to 2 weeks into the future with your scheduled pins. If you've just discovered this trick and want to share all of your old Instagram posts on Pinterest, schedule them out so that they are regularly published over the coming days. Spamming Pinterest with all of your Instagram posts in one go is likely to land you in trouble for spammy behavior. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.